if you're like me and you're been teaching with like Google Meets or MS Teams and now you're doing Zoom, it's so many things to keep up with as we're teachers and we're teaching online, and some of us are still in school. So here's a little tutorial on Zoom if you haven't used it or you need a refresher. So pretty much you're going to be able to click on the link directly in the Google Doc. So if you click on the one for tomorrow, well, I won't click it because it's going to send them a notice. So if I click on the one for mine for tomorrow, then it should just automatically launch in your browser. It's going to open up, and it should just circle. It's going to say openzoom.us. You say, okay, sure. And then it's going to start up, and it should just let you join my meeting, okay? And you're going to pop in. I turned off the waiting room, so you should just pop in and join us, and then you're going to have a screen. You can't tell because I'm all by myself, but in the upper right, there'll be a little waffle with a bunch of squares that you can click if you want a gallery view. And the mute button is down here on the left. If you want to mute yourself, you probably want to mute yourself, and you can turn your video off, so it'll be just your black screen. And then there's a chat button at the bottom, and you can chat during the Zoom meetings to each other, ask a question. You can send private messages or to everyone. So that's just a quick overview on how to use the Zoom link. If that's not working, or you just are like, what in the world, what do I do? Then another way that you can go in is, oh goodness gracious. Oh, this is probably going to happen to you too. When I went to log in on my first day, my computer said, shutting down, 42 minutes until your computer restarts, something like that, crazy. All right, so hopefully, I'm sorry, this is not what I wanted to do. I didn't want to have to walk you through this whole thing. I'm going to send you a calendar invite. So you're going to get a Google Calendar invite. So if you go to your Google Calendar or your Apple Calendar, whatever you use, you should have a calendar invite from me, and it will show up in here. So if you can't remember what to do, my invite's not there yet. What you're going to do is you're just going to click on the calendar link, and when you click inside of it, you'll have the Zoom meeting information down here. So you can just click on that link, which is also the same one that's in the Google Doc. If for some reason the link's not working for you, I put the meeting ID room and the password. So another option, you can go to a new tab, type in zoom.us, boom, and then when that loads up, you're going to click on join a meeting. And when you click on join a meeting, you put in the personal ID. So let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so what you're going to do, I shared it in the letter here, is once you've gone to zoom.us, then you can put the meeting ID, which is right here, and the password, which is right there as well. So if the link doesn't work, if you tried all that stuff and it still doesn't work, just text me, and we'll figure it out. So we'll get you in there. Don't worry if you're not right in there at 3 o'clock. If you're having technical difficulties, then that happened to me too. So we'll wait a few minutes to get started and make sure everybody is there. You also can download the Zoom app, and then you can have it on your desktop. And I know I'm on a Mac, so clearly I've got lots of junk on my desktop here that you can see. So you can download the app, and it kind of does the same thing. So that's how you use Zoom. If you have any questions, I'm sure we're all computer people and can figure it out. But just in case, I wanted to create that tutorial because I wish somebody had done that for me instead of struggling through it. See you tomorrow.